friends, welcome to Forks and Spoon. Today we are going to do a very interesting recipe. It is favorite among the young ones and even the elders love it. Cheese garlic bread. So let's get started. Now for the garlic bread, we can take a French loaf or we can take burger buns like these, or any garlic bread also is okay for the same. Now we are cutting the burger bun into slice. Now we have taken garlic over here and we are going to smash them. Now we have taken melted butter and we are adding the garlic paste to the butter. And we are going to nicely mix it. Now we are going to grate some processed cheese. Now we are going to rub the butter to both sides of the bread. Apply it very generously. Now I'm going to add a little parsley to it. Now on one side of the bread we are going to add the processed cheese. Slightly tap so that the cheese sits on the loaf. Now we are adding a little bit of oregano. Now we have heated the pan and we are going to place our garlic bread in it. The flame is very dim here. We are going to cover it with a lid and keep the garlic bread for 5 minutes. Now our garlic bread are crisp and done. Slowly we are going to remove it. We have taken a microwave rack and we are going to place our garlic breads on it. Now we have heated the microwave at 200 degree and we are going to cook the garlic bread at 200 degree for 4 minutes. Within 4 minutes it will be nice and crispy.